Good evening, I'm Riya Sharma. Welcome to the world of TrendPod AI. And tonight we begin with a heartbreaking aviation tragedy that has left the world in shock. 787 Dreamliner en route from Ahmedabad to London Gatwick crashed just moments after takeoff, killing 241 people on board. Only one person survived. This is the first ever fatal accident involving the 7878 model since its introduction in 2011. Flight AI-171 departed Ahmedabad Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport at 1:09 p.m. local time. Just seconds after liftoff, a chilling mayday call was sent from the cockpit, the only communication received from the plane before it crashed. Flight AI-171 departed Ahmedabad Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport at 1:09 p.m. local time. Just seconds after liftoff, a chilling mayday call was sent from the cockpit, the only communication received from the plane before it crashed. Eyewitnesses and the lone survivor reported hearing a loud bang followed by a struggle as the aircraft failed to gain altitude. CCTV and video footage confirmed that the plane never climbed beyond 625 feet, barely 180 meters, before crashing into a densely populated area less than 1.5 kilometers far. On the day of the flight, temperatures soared to nearly 40 degrees Celsius, that's 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Experts note that hot air is thinner, reducing lift. Combined with a fully fueled aircraft carrying over 100 tons of fuel for the long haul to London, the plane was under extreme stress. Despite these challenges, the aircraft was flown by an experienced crew. Captain Sumit Saparwal had 22 years of flying experience and his co-pilot Clive Kundar had logged over 9,000 flight hours. A primary theory among aviation experts points to a lack of thrust. Some speculate a rare but devastating dual-engine failure right after takeoff, which might explain the sudden mayday call and the plane's inability to climb. There is even speculation that the emergency ram air turbine might have deployed, an indicator of total power failure. However, experts stress this is speculation based on limited data and video footage. Ahmedabad Airport is known for frequent bird strikes. Official data cited in reports shows Gujarat recorded over 460 bird strike incidents in 5 years, with Ahmedabad accounting for the majority. A 35% increase in bird strikes in the past year alone was noted. A large bird strike affecting both engines could potentially cause catastrophic failure, as even the best designed jets can't recover from dual engine loss at such low altitudes. Another possibility being examined is whether the aircraft's takeoff configuration was correct, particularly the flap settings. Improper flap settings in such hot and heavy conditions could prevent the plane from generating sufficient lift. However, modern aircraft like the 787 are equipped with takeoff configuration warning systems, and multiple checklists make such an error unlikely, though not impossible. The crash is under international investigation. Indian authorities are leading with assistance from Boeing, GE Aerospace and British investigators, as the destination was London. The flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder, the black boxes, are expected to provide critical insight into what went wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, while we await the official findings, what's clear is that even with the most advanced technology and experienced crews, aviation remains a delicate balance of engineering, environment and human precision. This tragedy reminds us just how thin that margin for error is, particularly in those crucial first moments after takeoff. We will continue to follow this story and bring you updates as they become available. I am Riya Sharma. Stay with us.